Hi everyone, hope everyone's staying safe. We thought under the circumstances, possible lockdown, and we've locked ourselves down, it was a good opportunity to show my oldest boy Louis, who's come for 15, how to shave properly. So Louis agreed. He has got a little tash and he's got some hair at the sides there, so we thought a good time as any to show him. We thought we'd make a little bit of fun video out of it as well. Hoping that everyone is going to tune in. This is Louis. Say hello, Louis.
Hi.
You see he's shy. And we'll show you how to go through it, and maybe we'll have a little chat along the way as well. So keep listening, keep watching, and we're going to fly off now with. I'm going to show Louis how to first of all scrub and wash up. So Lou, put some in your hand. I'm going to put some in mine, and then into the hand there, and then we're going to wash. It's really important this is, because this gets rid of all the dead skin. Come on, Louis. Hand into the water as well as you got lather. Like that. So on the shave area especially. And again, this really softens up the beard hair. So essential for getting rid of all the dead skin, but at the same time it softens all the hair up as well. So even before you've actually got the pre-shave on and the cream on, it's softening the hair already. So quick swill. Okay, Lou. Just swill it off. Make sure most of it off. It's got a light grain in it, so you want to get as much of the grain out as possible so that there's no obstruction when the razor blade glides over. Like that. Okay. Right, okay, so rather than towel it off, we keep the face wet. What we do now is we're going to put some shave gel oil in. So this we massage straight onto the wet skin. So it's quite a thick gel oil. It's nothing like the shaving oils out there which are really greasy. This is an oil but blended like a gel. And then we massage into the skin, into the beard. How's it feeling, Lou?
That's alright. Feels smooth.
Don't forget your top lip. I'm going to keep mine because obviously I have my goatee. Make sure you massage in like that. I'm going to rinse down. And then we go straight on with shaving cream. Now this can be used either with a brush or with your hands, as we're doing here. So we're going to rub the shaving cream together like that, so you've got that. And then we're going to, again, just rub in to our beard, like so. If you have a good massage around your skin though, so you've got a good amount of lather in there, because obviously you need to protect your young skin against the razor blade.
Right.
Just make sure, and we do it all in one shot. We're going to take about 15 with plasters. You take 20, take 40, cut. Not literally.
Yeah.
Right, is it gone on?
Yeah.
Boy, right. Take your razor. Right, and we're going to pray.
God, I'm scared. I'm scared.
What we're going to do, put your head to one side like that. Yeah, and then we're going to go like that. Yeah. Have a look. Yeah, it's good. So nice, controlled strokes. So nothing too rash, pardon the pun. Have a look. Yeah, it's good. Keep the blade almost flat. Let the blades do the work. Like that. That's it. So keep going down. And then just on the jawline there. Be careful to go over the jawline. You might be alright, because I think most of your hair at the moment is on your cheek area, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to just shape my goatee in without my glasses. There might be nothing left by the time I finish the film. And underneath. So I'm actually seeing this without having my glasses on. I can just see in the mirror. Yeah, so you'll come down there, look, like that. That's it. Nice soft strokes. And then keep now putting your razor in the water. So give your blade a good swill. And then we'll start on the other side, like that. That's it. Can you see in the...
I can feel the hair
Can you feel it coming on?
Yeah.
I'll shake my goatee in. Sideways. That's it. So when you first start to shave, you don't want to rush it. And a lot of men do rush their shaves now, and it should be controlled so that there's no irritation after. That's it. Come across. That's it. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Just under there though, to your bottom lip, when you've got some, if you've got any now, but you bring the razor up like that.
Yeah, I've got a bit
Yeah.
upside.
So just have a, that's it. Yeah, it's good. You feel it coming on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's good. Okay, so you've done both sides?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a little bit round there, I can see. See it?
Yeah, I can
Can you
feel
feel
it.
it? I'll show you there, look, that's it. So just round there. Like that. Oh, that's come out now, look. So it's just that pocket in the jaw. Because it does that, it's quite square. Sometimes, because these blades are so flat, you can't get round. So sometimes you do that eventually, you'll do that, stretch across. Yeah.
Yeah.
Top lip, you're going to be now doing that and going down like that. Yeah. So you feel it coming out. I can see it coming out as well. Though. Wow, the slug's gone. It's really good. That's it. How's it feel?
Weird.
Isn't it? Because you can feel all that on there, even though it's soft for you. You've felt it for a few months now.
Yeah.
But how does it feel now when it's come off?
Bad.
Yeah. Because you feel it in the wind as well sometimes, wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just blowing the light moustache. And obviously because I've got a shore beard, I'm going to go up, get mine smooth now. Like that. That's it. If you're feeling it, just go back and do it if you need to. We can do this now once a week.
That's if mine goes back quick enough.
Yeah. Well, even if not, you can practice quite so that when you've got something there that's more coarse, you've got a know-how now, yeah, how to do it without overworking your skin. Yeah. How does it feel?
Oh, when you do that, it feels.
Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, a little bit there. You just feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So of course, then what happens is that over the period of time now, you'll be able to take all those techniques and those strokes. Yeah. Because most men will rush it. You won't rush it now.
No.
Of course, when we're finished, what you do is just swirl down, like so. Take all the cream and you feel some of the scrub still in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure that comes out. So. And then get your towel, just gently dab away, never rub, just gently dab. Yeah. Like that. There you go, and you have a look.
Oh.
See?
Feels really dry though.
Right, so, feels dry at the end. What we'll do now you've had a nice gentle rub, just put some moisturiser on. We call it moisturiser. We're going to use a little bit of the moisturiser, rub together, and then massage in like that. In your forehead. Like so. In the neck. Keep the neck nice and young and fresh and tight. And of course what the moisturiser does, put the moisture back in that we shaved out. At the same time tightens the skin. Now normally I'd put like a cooling gel on, but you won't need it because your skin hasn't had a lot of trauma because your hair was really light.
Yeah.
Yeah. But at your age and above, if you've got really light hair, cooling gel won't be necessary. The moisturiser will be, just to keep that skin tight and to put the moisture back in. Yeah. And then on your first shave ever, which you've just done, put some more on tonight, just keep the skin hydrated.
Okay.
Yeah. How's it feel?
Weird. Because all that hair there for so long and now it's gone.
Enjoy your first shave?
Yeah, it's actually
Yeah.
fun.
Under the circumstances, I thought it was a great time, Danny, to do it.
Good idea.
Yeah, brilliant. So hopefully we'll do another one next week. Does it feel funny?
Yeah. Looks weird as well.
Because you used that little dark shadow, aren't you, which is now gone. Yeah, so you might have to do it next week. It'll grow back in that time.
Maybe.
So we'll do another one, and then we'll show you how to go against just in case, yeah, for future. Right, okay, so thanks for watching, and stay safe everybody, and from me and Louis, we'll see you hopefully next week. Bye. Bye Lou.
Bye.